Thank you.
This dog. Ugh. Will this windshield monster ever give up? It taunts me so much. Well, charging your phone will have to wait until Kitty gets his cuddles. Cat comes first, phone later. Check out this slice of bread. Toasty by the sun, folded for fun. No doubt, our doggo is the warmest spot in the yard. Good call, hens.